Live from Quebec, it's Quiz That's So, presented by McGill University. Sports, science, socials, and all the best McGill has to offer. You've been personally chosen to play amongst the best. Look at them go. They're all here to see you play, and it begins right here, right now at Quiz That's So. Please welcome your host, Max McMartlet.
Good day, folks. I'm your host, Max McMartlet, and welcome to Quiz That's So, a game to test your wits. The challenge is, how well do you know McGill's history, and can you spot fact from fiction? This trivia game will test your skills, but before we play, you've got to learn the rules. It's how we do things around here. So, folks, before you can play, you've got to assemble your trivia team. That's right. There are McGillians waiting in the wings to help you out. Explore the campus to find an expert. It's not quite as simple as phoning a friend, but if you explore the stadium, the theater, the library, and the museum, you might find your teammates. By the looks of it, it seems like they're hidden behind these icons. Now, these McGillians are experts and experienced in their own fields. They'll give you clues to answer even the hardest of questions. Find all 7 experts, and you just might be the next quiz master. The quiz hot seat is always open, kid. When your team is ready to play, come find me. Got it? Let's go.